questions or anything you need to report to the police, we have members of the NYPD located at this station. This is a Q train going to Lexington Avenue and 63rd Street. The next stop on this train will be 86th Street. Streetbound Q train, the next stop is 86th Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This train is making stop from 96th Street to Lexington Avenue and 63rd Street. To continue your service after Lexington Avenue and 63rd, if you are going downtown, you would go upstairs to the M train, making local stops going to Brooklyn. If you need continuation on the Q train, take the M train to 34th Street and transfer to the Q. This is 86th Street. This is the Lexington Avenue and 63rd Street bound Q train. The next stop will be 77th Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Passengers, this Q train is making stops between 96th Street and Lexington and 63rd. To continue your service at Lexington 63rd, go upstairs to take the downtown F train. If you need service on the Q line, take the F to 34th Street, where you can transfer to the Q. This is 72nd Street. This is a Q train going to Lexington Avenue and 63rd Street. The next stop and last stop on this train will be Lexington Avenue and 63rd Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Passengers are currently being held in the station by supervision. Next stop, Lexington and 63rd. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is Lexington Avenue and 63rd Street. This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please exit the train. No passengers on the train. This is the last stop on this train, Lexington Avenue and 63rd Street. This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please exit the train. This is the last stop on this train, Lexington Avenue and 63rd.